3D clouds that work really well, 3D clouds that render really fast, 3D clouds that react to the scene lights. Looking for that? Yeah, it's here. Cloud Mixer, powered by AAA Clouds, could be my favorite Boonika art tool. Okay, maybe after the terrain mixer. Maybe you already know that we have published other #clouds, #sky solutions in the past. For example, CloudKit 1, Cloudy Skies, and Smart Cloud System. I use them almost daily, and they've been a real lifesaver. But this is something else, something a lot more powerful and really easy to use. Now, have in mind that all of my tests so far have been done on my new machine. It is i9, 128 gigs of RAM, RTX 3090, and so on. After years and years of working on i7 with 32 gigs of RAM and GTX 1080 Ti, I had to upgrade. Because if I want to do this job, I have to be properly equipped. Now let's jump right into it. Right now, there are 15 cloud designs available. 15, okay? Now take a look at what you can do with only one. Ready? Here we go. Look at that. With only one cloud, you can build a really complex mega cloud, or just randomize its shape, position, and rotation to get a sky full of clouds. And, as I said already, there are 15 of them. There'll be more, of course, right after we get some nice feedback from you. Anyway, when you'll be playing with the individual clouds, you will adjust their appearance inside this small Geometry Nodes menu. Cloud Mixer's menu is a little bit bigger, but nothing too scary. Everything is in one place. Of course, the changes you make on any of the clouds will be visible in Cloud Mixer. And that's all there is to it. I'll be leaving now, but you can stay and continue watching because clouds are magical. Cheers!